We all need a space where we can feel inspired, productive, and focused. Hi, my name is Hema, and today I am going to take you through the process of setting up a home office for my husband. I wanted to create a space which was functional as well as soothing to your eyes. This space is adjoining to one of our bedroom. The total size would be around 4 by 6. Earlier there was a chest of drawer and a dressing table that I moved to some another room and set up a new study table that we bought from Amazon. My husband just placed his laptop and his computer on the table and he was already working, but I thought no, it is missing a lot of things, as I already called the technician and asked him to install all the shelves. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, don't skip it. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it right away and don't forget to like this video. Now let's go ahead and transform this place. So after cleaning and dusting, it was time to decorate. This is the letter board that I bought from Amazon and I totally love it. It also has a light inside. If you want, you can connect a USB cable and it will light up. I totally love it. And whatever the things that I have used in this video, I'm going to share the link in the description box. So if you need it, you can check it. So the shelves are ready. I'm so sorry I could not record time lapse for this because it took me good 1 hour to see which thing will go in which shelf. And this time I've decided not to buy anything especially for the decor because all these pieces I already had in my house, so why to waste more money? And we are almost done. It was time to keep everything in its place.
And this is a nice present.
Okay.
Yeah. What?
And I thought it would be nice for just B to have a family picture on his desk. So this is what I'm doing here, giving him something to smile whenever he sees our picture, you know, adding some personal touches.
Oh my God, so sweet.
Oh, I know. Look.
Wow.
And some final touches, and we are done. also wanted to do something for Papa's desk, so she asked me to put this card that she made for him for Father's Day and this beautiful pen stand. I just hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you love it and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. And I wish you good luck. Have a good day. And it's a bye-bye from us. Do you want to say something, Kiara? Say it. Bye-bye.
Butterfly.